All right, now we're going to use the polygon interior angle sum theorem to help us determine the number of sides in a polygon. And this corresponds to example 3 in your textbook, which is on page 396, top of the page. It says here the measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 144. Find the number of sides in the polygon. So we're given the angle measure of one of the angles, an interior angle, and this is a regular polygon, so all the interior angles are congruent, or the measures are equal, all of them equal, and we're asked to find the number of sides in a polygon. Now, the formula we've been working with, S equals 180 times n minus 2, we're going to use a variation of this to help us determine the number of sides, where n is the number of sides. But I don't know the sum. But I do know the measure of one of the angles. And it's a regular polygon, so they all equal each other. So I could set this up then as 144, the angle measure I know, times n. Well, 144 times the number of sides is going to, and since they're all regular, is going to give me the sum of those interior angles. So think of it like if I had a triangle and they were all, and the angles, it was an equilateral triangle, equal angular triangle, they were all 60 degrees. Well, 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. And if I had 60 times 3 sides, that would equal 180, which is the sum of that. And let's go, and then we got 144n, the angle we know, it's a regular polygon. That, once we determine n, that's going to also equal the sum, and I got 180 n minus 2. Well, let's go ahead and distribute this 180 to the n minus 2, and so then I would have 144n equals 180n minus 360. And let's combine like terms. Let's subtract 180 from both sides of this equation, 180n. And then I would have negative 36n equals negative 360. Now I would just simply divide negative 360 by 36, and the number of sides of this polygon, which has one interior angle of 144, is 10 sides. Let's prove that. Let's work this the other way. Let's say that we got the sum is equal to 180 times 10 sides minus 2. So that sum should be 180 times 8. And let's see what 180 times 8 is. 180 times 8 equals 1440. Okay. And if I have one angle, that's 444 times 10, well, that also equals 1440. So the number of sides is 10 by using the polygon interior angle sum theorem.